Okay, here's another linear programming problem. Funtime Boating offers snorkeling and scuba diving off the coast of Charleston. They must sell at least 12 snorkeling tickets. They must also sell at least 16 scuba diving tickets. The boat cannot carry more than 50 passengers. Funtime Boating makes $26 profit for each snorkeling ticket sold and $32 profit for each scuba diving ticket sold. In order for Funtime Boating to maximize its profits, how many of each type ticket should they sell? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is define variables. X is going to be snorkeling tickets. And then Y is going to be scuba. Okay, then our constraints. So they told us X has to be greater than or equal to 12. Y, which is scuba tickets, has to be greater than or equal to 16. And the boat cannot carry more than 50 passengers. So that's X plus Y equals 50. And then our objective function is going to be profit in this case. So PXY is 26x plus 32y. So if I change this is actually less than or equal to 50. If I divide this both sides by 50, I get into intercept form, which is x plus 50 over y plus 50 equals 1. So if I put in a grid page here, and I know I need to go up to 50, so I'm going to say each one of the squares is 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we'll put x-intercept is 50, y-intercept is 50. Go back and put in a straight line. And then they told us that scuba had to be at least 12, which is going to be about right here. And the snorkeling is 12, 5, 10, 15. So scuba diving is going to be right about there. And then we're going down by 1 each time. So this is, well, here this is just a vertical. So this is 12, 16. So this is 50 minus 12. So this is 12, 38. And here we have y is 16. So if the total has to be 50, this is 34. So our we've graphed. Then our intersection points are going to be 12, 16, 12, 38, and 34, 16. And then our objective function, so P at 12, 16 is going to be 26 times 12 plus 32 times 16. Use the calculator. 26 times 12 plus 32 times 16, so 820, or 824. And then P at 1238, 26 times 12, plus 32 times 38. Or 36. No, 38. So 1528. Then so 1396. So this is going to be the max. So this was 6 again, and then 7 is how many of each type? So 12 snorkeling and 38 scuba. Now, we did the graphing on a piece of graph paper. Could we also do it in Desmos? Absolutely. Now, the Desmos is, the graph is already kind of set where it should be, so I'm going to kind of reset that. So f of x equals 50 minus x, and then we can actually put in a vertical line here, and then g of x equals 16, and here we can just kind of drag and pinch the screen. So here we want, this is our feasible region, and if we just click on the intersections, Desmos will actually label them for us. And then the shading should be greater than or equal to 12, greater than or equal to 16, and then less than or equal to the horizontal line. And that concludes this video.